Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Bessemer, Birmingham. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This property is located off Interstate 20 and is 2.7 miles from Splash Adventure Waterpark. Guests can enjoy a sun terrace and free Wi-Fi at this pet-friendly motel. A cable TV and telephone are featured in each Motel 6 Birmingham, Bessemer room. And private bathroom is also included in all rooms as well as air conditioning and heating. A vending machine with snacks and drinks is offered at the Birmingham, Bessemer motel. A 24-hour front desk, laundry facilities, and free on-site parking are available for guests' convenience. House Municipal Golf Course is 3 minutes drive away from this Motel 6. Medical West Hospital is 1,650 feet away from the property. Tannehill Historical State Park is 16 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.